I'll probably never be able to get it back there again, so I gotta make sure that I get this right.
Hello, welcome to the channel. So I'm in our 1997 Camry, and we've had trouble with the lock cylinder ignition switch for a long time. So what's happening is it won't turn all the way over and start the car. I don't even know if it goes to ACC, but what I'm going to do today is try to get this lock cylinder out, or take a look at it and see if I can figure out what's going on with it. More than likely replace it. So what I'm hoping to do is get this piece off right here, and then go from there. So I'm not exactly sure how to do that yet. I think I'm able to pry this off somewhere, so I'll get back with that once I figure out what's going on, but that seems to be the case. I'm hoping not to take the steering column off or the steering wheel or anything like that. So anyway, I'll get back with an update real quick here. Okay, these clips right here. This black piece stayed on. So now we've got this right here. There is a Phillips head screw right here. I'm going to remove that. Alright, since I got that panel off, I'm going to go ahead and take the negative cable off of the battery and then start working from there. Negative cable is off the battery. Let's go back and take that screw out. So we're going to be taking the screw out right there. Then this piece is going to come off with it. Okay. So that's what we have hanging there. Next, I want to try to get my key to work one more time. And it may take me a while to do this, but I need to try to get it in the ACC position there. I don't know if that's it or not. I may need to go farther than that. Alright, maybe that'll work. I mean, it's locked right there, so I think it needs to even go farther. But, alright, let's go under here, and there should be a little hole here. I can take a small screwdriver or punch or something and push up and be able to pull this whole assembly lock cylinder out. So I continued to work with it for a long time. Finally got it past the lock position, so I can turn it all the way over now. But I've got it just in the ACC position. That's where I want it to be at now. I'll probably never be able to get it back there again, so I gotta make sure that I get this right. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is go underneath here. There is a button I can push, or a hole I need to push a small screwdriver in there. Okay, maybe you can see it. See where the screw was at? Right here. It's right beyond there. I need to push that as far as I can up, and at the same time, with my other hand, pull that cylinder out. Actually, I can see the cylinder moving from here. There we go. That was easy. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out. Very cool. Okay, so I'm either going to have to order a new one, which is probably the smart thing to do, or figure out why this is not working. But anyway, that's how to remove lock cylinder on 1997 Toyota Camry. Guess that's going to be it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a nice day and take care. So I just got my new lock. We get 2 keys with it. Nice looking keys. Here's the cylinder lock itself. Haven't tried it yet with the keys. It came with this little centerpiece here. See the clear centerpiece here? Mine did not break, but I could use the new one, I guess, if I wanted to. Probably don't want to bother with it. Mine's still in good condition, but yeah, it's pretty decent that they sent one of these. I guess these things break a lot, so they decided to throw one in. Let's see. Let's check the keys out. See how they fit in the lock. So they both went in really nice. They only go in one way. My old key would go in either way. This is how it's supposed to be, though. Oh, let's see now. We're going to set it on the ACC. Right now it's in the lock position. Once we set it in the ACC, we'll have this button right here so that it will push all the way up. Right now it's just going like just a little ways. It's not going up like it should. So let's yeah. All right, now it should be yeah, now it's in the ACC. So we should be able to install it just like that. Okay, so we take all right, so this long shaft is going to be top. All right, it's in there. All right, so let me show you what's going on. Remember how I said that my clear piece here, center, kind of a centerpiece, was not broken, and so I didn't need the new one. I can't find where it's broken at, but here's what was happening. I was having trouble getting the lock in place. Okay, I've got it locked in now, so I'm gonna have it's too difficult to take out because I got to push the button from underneath. But just to tell you what happened was I was pushing it in there and it looked like it was going in all the way, but it wasn't turning. You know, I had the key in the ACC position. It was going in nicely, and it felt like it, and it looked like it was going in, but it wasn't. It wasn't going in all the way for some reason. Like I said, it wasn't turning. So I blew some air in there, and this came out. This came out. So it was jammed in there and not letting it turn. And I actually thought maybe they sent me the wrong one, but they didn't. This should work fine now. It seats in there really nice. And so we're going to go ahead and reassemble everything, and we'll try to start it up. So we just put this back in place. All right, snaps right in. Really flush. Grab our screw. Put our negative battery cable back on. Okay, we're going to put this little panel piece back in, so we got a clip at the top, right up here, and we've got one. So my phone died for a second there, but yeah, we had the clip right here, and then we had it down here, so I just pushed down here, it snapped right in place, and same thing right up here, no problem whatsoever. I did have to kind of push this and center it around the clear piece, but it's all good. So let's try it out now for the first time. Goes in, comes out. Let's try the other one real quick here. Remember, these go in one way. Okay, there's the ACC on. First time start here, like 5 days. Here we go. Perfect, beautiful. All right, so it looks like the cylinder lock is, works just like it's supposed to. Didn't have any problems with it. Everything's good. Thanks for watching the video. This is a 97 Camry. I guess till next time, have a nice day. Take care.